It is important to get familiar with the changes that takes place with the cursor as you move the cursor around in the workspace. Each change with the cursor is associated with a context that defines specific actions that you can carry out. For example, when you move the cursor to the edge of a selection, you can drag that selection. In another case, if you move the cursor to the lower right corner of a selection, you will get the fill handle. You can drag to populate contiguous range. In addition, you can select an entire column if you click on the column alphabet. Likewise, you can select an entire row if you click on the row number. If you move the cursor to the boundary between two columns, then you can drag to resize the column to the left. There is a similar effect for rows. You can also auto-fit row height and column width to content if you double-click on boundaries. In addition, you can select a contiguous range of cells if you drag the cursor over the range. Finally, you can select the entire workspace if you click here.